Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to learn about the construction number 4, construction question number 4, from exercise 11.2 NCERT, that is construction of a triangle given perimeter and its two base angle. So let us take the construction. This construction is done by me. I am just telling you the process. Here this is the construction. Construct a triangle XYZ where angle y is equal to 30 degree, angle z is equal to 90 degree, and xy plus yz plus z is equal to 11 centimeter. Now for the first target that we have, we are taken one line segment AB of 11 centimeter. Understood? Now here using pair of compass we have drawing 30 degree. This is 30 degree. First we are drawing 60 degree, then 30 degree. So angle A is equal to 30 degree. Understood? And here our first target is to draw 90 degree. So here we are drawing 90 degree over here. Understood? Second thing that we have to draw, the bisector of this angle 30 degree and angle 90 degree. We know how to draw the bisector of angle 30 degree and bisector of an angle. So bisector of 30 degree and bisector of 90 degree. So the bisector of 30 degree and the bisector of 90 degree should intersect at a point, and we should name it as x. The previous ray we should name it as L A and MB, and this point we are naming it as x. Understood? Second target, AX and XB. From AX and XB we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of AX and perpendicular bisector of XB. So the perpendicular bisector of AX, that's equals that first we are drawing, we have to draw perpendicular bisector. You know how to draw perpendicular bisector. So we are drawing the perpendicular bisector, and this perpendicular bisector bisect the line segment AB at Y. Okay, take this point as Y. Next, this perpendicular bisector bisect AB at Z. Okay, so our next step should be to join XY and XZ. So XYZ is my required triangle, where obviously this angle will be 30 degree and this angle will be 90 degree. If we measure it with the help of protractor, so this comes, as you can see, this comes 30 degree. Okay, this is this coming 30 degree, actually 30 degree, and this will be 90 degree. Now this coming actually 30 degree. Okay, it's fine. So that's the process to drawing a given triangle of given perimeter and two base angle. I hope you are able to understood it. If you have any problem, then tell me. I will again tell you the process to draw. Okay, thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to learn about from NCERT math book class 9 construction, and we will do the exercise 11.2 today. Okay, the construction of exercise 11.2 of NCERT math book. Understood? So let's start. So let us take the first question. Now what is given in the first question? It is given in the first question that, hope you are able to see in the first question, that construct a triangle ABC in which BC, side BC is given, angle B is 75 degree, that is given, and AB plus AC is given 13 centimeter. Okay, so how we can draw this? So let's start. BC is given 7 centimeter, so we should take BC as 7 centimeter, that is this as 7 centimeter. BC. Okay, this we have taken 7 centimeter. This is BC as 7 centimeter. Now it's told that AB plus AC is angle B is equal to 75 centimeter. So with the help of protractor we are drawing 75 centimeter. So 75 centimeter with the help of protractor. This is 75 centimeter. Sorry viewers, actually much space was needed to draw the construction. So we are doing exercise 11.2 of NCERT construction. So here I am drawing from here. So first we are taking 7 centimeter, this and this. So first we are taking this as 7 centimeter and we are naming it as BC. Now we have to draw 75 centimeter, 75 centimeter, 75 degree angle B. So with the help of protractor we are drawing 75 degree. So this is 75 degree. This is 75 degree. Hope you are able to understood. Next, it is given that AB plus AC, that's equals to how much? 13 centimeter. So we should take a measure of 13 centimeter in along here. Okay, so first we are taking 13 centimeter over here, 13 centimeter, that is from here we are taking this, this is okay, and next we are taking the measure of 13 centimeter. So from here this is 13 centimeter, or you can take the measure from here, right here, 13 centimeter. You just put the scale over here, and this measure is 13 centimeter. This measure is 13 centimeter. Okay, so and we should name it as X. We are naming it as X. So this is 75 degree. 75 degree. Now we should join this X and C. We have to join this X and C. Now we are joining X and C. We are joining X and C, we have joined. Now in the next step, and we are naming this point, not this point, this ray as x, and this point as d. Understood? This ray as d. Now we have to draw the perpendicular bisector, of DC. Okay, so this is 75 degree, and this is so now we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of DC. Now perpendicular bisector, how to draw perpendicular bisector, you already know. To draw perpendicular bisector, next if we join this, this is a perpendicular bisector of the line segment DC. Okay, so next, in the next step, the bisector cuts the line DB over here, so we should mark it as A. Next we should join A and C. Okay, so as you can see that ABC here, triangle ABC is the required triangle. Okay, so what measure is given? AB plus AC is equal to 13 centimeter. Let us check. Now AC from here, as we can see, AC we are getting 7.6 centimeter, and AB we are getting 5.4. okay, so 7.6 and 5.4, if we add this, 0, 13. So obviously this is my required construction. Hope you are able to understood it. Next, move to another question. Next we have to construct another triangle. As you can see, another triangle, construct a triangle ABC in which BC is equal to 8 centimeter, angle B is equal to 45 degree, and difference of two sides of the triangle is given. In the previous, the sum of two sides was given, here difference of two sides is given. So here construct a triangle. So first we should take BC over here, that is eight centimeter. BC we are taking as 8 centimeter. This is BC we are taking, BC. Okay, now next we have to make 45 degree over here. This is question number 2 of exercise 11.2. 45 degree. So this is 40, this is 45 degree. Okay, so okay, this we have drawn. Next, and we are naming it as angle x, angle x. Okay, now we have to cut a line segment BD that's equals to AB minus AC. Now AB minus AC, AB minus AC, that's equal to 3.5 centimeter, that is given. So we have to cut a line segment BD. So 3.5 centimeter, that is given in question number 2. So 3.5, that is 3.5 means 3.5 here, this is 3.5. This is BD, 3.5 centimeter. Okay, next, in the next step we have to again draw DC. DC we have drawn. Okay, and next we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of PQ of DC. In the next step we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of DC. So perpendicular bisector of DC, perpendicular bisector. This is the perpendicular bisector. Okay, and we should name it as PQ. We should name it as PQ. Now we have to extend it, and at which point it intersect the ray BX, make that point as A. Understood? Next we have to join the last step, we have to join this C point and A point. So ABC, triangle ABC is my required triangle. Okay, where obviously AB minus AC is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Let us check AB. Let us take AB is equal to how much? As we can see, AB is equal to so here AB is equal to